online YouTube channel with another Photoshop tutorial. Today I'll show you how to create pop-out effect in Adobe Photoshop. First of all, go to File menu, then click on Place Embedded, then select Model Image. Click. Now make a copy of layer and move it to top. Select the object. Right-click on selection and then click on layer via copy. Delete the previous layer. Here we go. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.